Welcome to TrackerFy. Thank you very much for purchasing our new product. We are Juan and Nahuel, and in this video we will guide you step by step so you can learn how to use the spreadsheet in the simplest and the most effective way. Before starting, we recommend adjusting the zoom level of each sheet to match the size of your screen. Once you have saved the file, this setting will remain stored, and every time you open the spreadsheet, it will keep the same view. When opening the file, the first thing you will find is the main menu. From here, you can access all the sheets that are part of TrackerFy and navigate between them with a single click. This button navigation is available only in Microsoft Excel. If you are using the Google Sheets version, please know that button navigation is not supported. Instead, you can move through the spreadsheet using the tabs located at the bottom of the screen. Each tab corresponds to a different section of TrackerFy, allowing you to easily access all the same content as in Excel, just through a slightly different navigation method. Let's begin with the How to Use sheet. In this section, you will find a description of each sheet in the file so you can understand the function of each one and how to take full advantage of it. You will also see some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of it. Now, let's go back to the menu and move on to Settings. This is where you will configure the spreadsheet according to your needs. First, you can select the currency you want to use. Then, you will find 5 predefined concepts that cannot be edited, but you can modify or add new subcategories for each one with a limit of up to 10 per category. Once you have set this up, let's return to the menu and continue with Add Transactions. In this sheet, you will enter all your transactions. You will be able to enter the date, select from a drop-down list the type of transactions at the subcategory, which is linked to what you define in Settings, the amount, and the description. In the file, you will find some sample entries already filled in to guide you. Let's go back to the menu and move on to the Money Map. Here you will see all your transactions organized in a calendar. Incomes appear in green and expenses in red. Each day can display up to 5 transactions, and if there are more, the rest will appear in the summary table below. From this view, you can also choose which month and year to display and define whether your week starts on Monday or Sunday. Now let's go to the dashboard. This is the visual panel where you will find all your indicators and charts. Just like in the Money Map, you can select the month and year you want to view. On the left side, you will see the cards with the total values of each concept: incomes, dues, spendings, bills and savings, along with a comparison to the previous month. Below the cards, you will find a chart that shows the distribution of the values, helping you quickly identify where your spending or income is concentrated. On the right side, you will see the annual evolution of incomes, total expenses, and savings. And we left a free space for you to write your own notes. Finally, we have the links sheet. Here you will find a guide to get started using the spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets, the tutorial video you are watching now, the download link for the official League Spartan font to keep the original style, and our contact link. Remember that you can navigate the entire spreadsheet from the main menu or by using the buttons below each sheet's title. This button navigation is available only in Microsoft Excel. And that's all. We hope you enjoy using TrackerFy and that it helps you maintain a clear, visual, and efficient control of your finances.